Hi guys, somebody on Telegram asked me, can you give me your configuration of Plasma, and I want to have it exact the same thing on my machine. And that's gonna be difficult, right? Because the configuration of Plasma in its entirety, it's gonna be the .config and the .local. So this one and this one. Now dumping such two folders onto different kind of processor hardware altogether. But there is another solution. And then I told him, check out konsave. And konsave, ArcoLinux konsave, was a video I've made already almost 2-3 years ago. So it's time to make a new one, right? Save your Plasma. The end of 2021 to 2, 3, 1.5, 4. It's working. I've tested it. So what you have is an application called konsave, sudo pacman -s konsave. And konsave is of course something for probably Plasma 5, but I don't know, I did not look at the GitHub if there were updates or anything like that. I just tested it. What is konsave? Let's have a look. Konsave, enter. Show this help message. Let's make this bigger for you guys. Hopla. Show this help, etc. List created profiles. Let's take another one. Konsave and then list. I have already -L. Voila. The mine is called edu. And I moved edu from the PC behind me, 2 meters behind me, to the shared folder, to here. And I said import. So export and import is, here is the E from export, and here is the E, yeah, E and E, I from import. Import a konsave file. Export an existing profile. First save a profile. That's the first thing you need to do. Set everything the way you like it. This is the way I like it, right? And then you say, now save it. Give it a name, edu. Then you can export it as edu. Move it to the folder, to another computer system. That's the folder .config konsave. In here, we have a folder telling me that the profile is edu and the settings are in here. And all the configs are in here. So the machine is putting the important bits and pieces of the design away. And then when you come to something similar, I think hardware will still matter, but at least it's not the databases and everything. It is really handpicked, cherry-picked, that file, that file, that file. And he really took it seriously. I saw somewhere there were, where was it? In the config YAML maybe. So take a look at all these files and the content of it. It looks at the local share XML GUI 5. So Dolphin on my end is changed. I like this arrow up here. Thonar has one and Dolphin doesn't. But on my system, I want control and I run my scripts, the ArcoLinux Nemesis scripts. So I have this. My Control T is also looking nice. It's blurred. So things like that, that's typically up to the user to design. And I've shown you that in all the videos. So this would be something that we could share, I think. And here it says export an existing profile and share with friends. That's maybe something we could try, and give him my configuration. So konsave, that's yes, konsave -E, and we export an existing profile and share with friends. I suppose edu. Successfully exported into edu KNSV. So konsave is in there in the name. Hopla. Super, shift enter. This works on this machine. So we have a file somewhere, edu. not seeing it. Let's pause a little bit. No, we can't. I hope the missus doesn't enter. There she is. Nee, nog even niet. Telling her not to come in. And then, where is edu KNSV? edu KNSV. Control H. Control H. So much faster. And what is this? A zipped thing? It is a zip thing. Never saw that extension. So that's how you can give it to somebody else. And we're gonna do that now in Telegram. I will test it if it's working. All right. Cheers.